Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, Raiders.
Welcome back to the show. I'm Nas.
And I'm Angel.
And these are your news and announcements for today, Wednesday, September 18th.
Raiders, please join us in congratulating Diana Lopez on being the Raider Rockstar for September 16th through September 29th. Diana had multiple nominations for our Rockstar. One colleague said Ms. Lopez is the definition of work ethic. She has helped build the CTE pathway program for medical assisting students with medical terminology, ethics, and being able to receive their CPR certification. The students that take their course to get experience firsthand with lessons that involve not just their critical thinking skills, but hands-on experience with patient dummies and animal intestines. These are some days where she stays after school late to plan lessons and ensure her students are getting an experience in the pathway that will serve beneficial to the future should they choose to pursue a career in the medical field. Thank you for all you do for your colleagues and students, Diana. You rock.
Today, girls tennis will be holding a fundraiser at Dave's Hot Chicken in Port Hueneme from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Pick up some on your way home, and if you live in town, take out your family.
Now let's go to the EAOP for a couple of announcements.
Good morning, Raiders. This is Ms. Gonzalez from the EAOP. So I am here today just to announce today is the first day for the college application workshop. It will be today, Wednesday, from 2 to 6 in the library. If you plan on filling out a CSU or UC application, feel free to stop by. You can leave whenever. The next one is going to be next Wednesday on the 25th. And then we will continue throughout the month of October and November. But the first one is going to be today after school. So do stop by. Thank you, guys.
Welcome back to the show. Students and staff, let us know what you would like to see on the show. Interviews with teachers or students. Info on clubs. Reach out to us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com.
Sporting news, sports on tap. Here are all your sporting news for the week. Lots of games going on tomorrow. Girls varsity golf travels to River Ridge Golf Club at 2:30. Girls varsity tennis hosts Carpinteria at 3. Soft football hosts Del Sol High School at 4. And girls volleyball hosts Malibu. Soft starts at 4:30, JV at 5:30, and varsity starts at 6:30. Girls flag football hosts Hueneme Varsity at 6:30, then JV at 7:30. On Friday and Saturday, our boys and girls cross-country team travels to the 43rd annual Woodbridge Tournament. Come out and support our teams.
How often are you using profanity here on the islands?
Smells like Badusi in here. Hey, you f***ing thief! They're mine! So
Lady! What beautiful inside.
Max!
I found them!
Stop the violence and choose a better word.
Choose a better word, Raiders.
Now check out the September schedule for the Recon Wellness Center. Want us to spread the word about your club or events here on the show? Want your photo shown at the Raider mural? Reach out to us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. That is all your news and announcements for today. Make it a great day, Raiders. No cussing. It's bad.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to CI Live. If you would like to participate, send an email at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.